Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to grab it and flip it around. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this, you have this lever you can pull on, and basically you need to pull it towards the middle of the strap, and that releases the strap on one side, and then you can take it out on the other as well. So basically you pull on this, take it out on one side, and then take it out completely. Same for the other side. So basically you pull on this lever, and then you should be able to take out the strap. Sometimes the tension on this lever is a bit strong, so you need to struggle with it a bit, but it shouldn't be that hard. Also, this mechanism is quite simple. Basically, you have pin on each side of the strap, as you can see, and they're locked in into a holes on the watch, because we have a hole on each side of the watch as well. And once the pins are locked in, and you pull on this lever, and basically it retracts the pin right here. And once it retracts the pin, you can take it out from one side, and then once you take it out from one side, you can take it out from the other. Quite simple mechanism. It works well, and it's quick. And let's say you have new straps and you want to attach them. You grab your watch, you position it the way that you can basically insert the strap from the tab, and you take the side on the strap that is opposite from the lever, you insert it into a hole on the watch like this, then you align it a bit, pull on the lever to retract the pin, and once you pull on it, align it with the other hole and release it, and it will hold. Quite simple, quite quick. Like I said before, quite a nice system. Like this, pull on the lever. Sometimes, like I said before, the tension on it is a bit hard, but you should be able to do it. And here we have it. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.